Ranger walking up. I might be able to make a deal. They paid us 5 caps to take you out. How much are you willing to pay to make us go away?
Yeah, here you go, 4th one.
Here are 5 star caps.
Okay.
If anyone talks to you about fucking the tan team, you come see me, I got more caps.
Let me put it to you this way. You just made
So you're a
a lot
mercenary?
of your problems go away, my friend.
That's right. It's like Tyrion Lannister. You got anyone who pays you to kill us, come talk to me.
Well, depending on what happens, we may be working
We'll be
again
in
down the
touch.
Hopefully.
So they got paid by someone else
Damn, I would've
to
gotten
assassinate us.
All right, now here's another thing for you boys to understand. There are 3 Rangers roaming around
Right.
that have defected from the NCR. You guys fire upon them, take them down, we might pay you back.
Cool.
Whether in money or our services for an extended period of time. Look for a man wearing a bulletproof vest that got slashed across the chest, long blonde hair.
Okay.